Now we are moving towards hierarchical inheritance. One class may be inherited by more than one class is known as hierarchical inheritance. Programming problems can be cast into a hierarchy where certain features of one level and shared by many others below that level. For example, hierarchical classification of students in a university can be: first, a base class can be students, then arts, engineering, medical. These are three sections, but under engineering more sections can be there, suppose computer engineering, electronics and civil. So these are the hierarchical classification of students. All the students have certain things in common. The base class will include all the features that are common to the subclasses. A subclass can be constructed by inheriting the properties of the base class. A subclass can serve as a base class for the lower level classes and so on. We will just write a program for hierarchical inheritance. One class we are taking here, employee, protected, see two variables we are passing inside protected section, employee name and employee ID. Public section we will just accept, void accept. Enter employee name with cn. cin we will just accept it. Allow the user to input name of the employee. Same way accept the employee ID. Fine. Under accept function with display function we will just display the above accepted information. Employee name is emp name, employee ID is emp ID. Fine. Here end of employee class. Now we are creating a derived class worker from employee. In which protected section one variable we have declared overtime salary. Through employee class we are calling the accept function of employee. This information is common to all. Here enter overtime salary. cin overtime salary. Fine. We'll just display it, void display employee display Cout times salary fine. The end of worker class. Now we are creating a new class manager, accessing the properties of employee in which additional allowance variable we are taking it. So in this way we can create the different classes. Void accept employee accept function additional allowance we are accepting here. Void display fine. The manager class ends here. Now we start with a main program. Through worker class we are creating one object w1, and with manager class also we are creating one object m1. Now if we use w1.accept and w1.display, means indirectly we are accessing the properties of base class employee also. See w here m1 dot accept and m1 dot display. Fine. Get ch, the end of main program. Just have a clear skin function here. Fine. Press Ctrl F9 to run this program. Some errors found. Illegal use of pointer. Cout. C operator less than sign was missing. Press Ctrl F9. 5 errors. Cannot convert integer to void star. Ctrl F9, enter. Same problem here. Ctrl F9, some semicolon missing. See, have a semicolon here. Fine. Ctrl F9, one error remaining. Same semicolon problem. Press Ctrl F9 once again. Employee name, employee ID, salary. See, employee name is Safim, employee ID 1, salary 6000. Same way, enter employee name, ID second, but additional allowance. See, second J, employee ID 2, additional allowance 100. In this way With the help of hierarchical inheritance, we can create the different types of classes